Good morning, everybody. I hope that everybody is doing well this morning. If you would like to listen to our good morning song, you can go click on the link in Seesaw and get to our good morning song. Today is Friday, February 26th. This is our last day of remote learning this week. So that means that next week, Monday, we will be in person and it will be a new month, March. Today is Friday. If you'd like to listen to our Days of the Week song, the link can be found in Seesaw. So today is Friday, February 26th. The date is Friday, February 26th, 2021. So yesterday was Thursday, today is Friday, and tomorrow is Saturday. The weather this morning was cloudy and cold. Hopefully the sun comes out today so that way you guys can get outside and do something fun. Our number of the day is 46. In order to make 46, we need 1, 2, 3, 4 sets of 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, and 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that makes the number 46. 4 tens and 6 ones. So if we look at our number 46 on our chart, 1 more is 47, 1 less is 45, 10 more is 56, and 10 less is 36. So let's skip count and count by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. And that's where we're going to stop. Did we make any mistakes today? Nope, we counted by 2 all the way through. Our letter of the week is the letter D. Let's look at some of our things that start with the letter D. Duck starts with the letter D. Donut starts with the letter D. Dinosaur starts with the letter D. Dolphin starts with the letter D. Domino starts with the letter D. Dog starts with the letter D. Can you think of anything else that starts with the letter D? I will let you guys get started on your work today. If you have any questions, make sure that your parents send me an email. Have a wonderful day.